Looking for a free, powerful alternative to Microsoft Office that works on Windows, Mac, and Linux? Whether you want to ditch subscriptions, work offline, or just try something new, OnlyOffice Desktop Editors makes the switch easier than you think. OnlyOffice is an open-source Office suite that feels instantly familiar to Microsoft Office users, but without the price tag. You get a full set of professional tools, a word processor for documents, a spreadsheet editor for data and calculations, a presentation tool for slides and pitch decks, a PDF viewer and editor for annotations and fillable forms. And the best part? It's completely free for personal use, works offline, and is available for all major operating systems. One thing that surprised me is how quickly you can switch between OnlyOffice apps. Let's say you finish typing a report and now need a spreadsheet. You don't need to go back to your start menu or open another program. You just switch within the same OnlyOffice window and you're instantly in the spreadsheet editor. It sounds small, but it's a real workflow booster. OnlyOffice also lets you password protect your documents with built-in encryption. This means that even if someone gets a hold of your file, they can't open it without the password. Need to work on the go? OnlyOffice has solid mobile apps for iOS and Android. You can edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations right from your phone or tablet, with full control over fonts, colors, and formatting. If you've ever tried opening a Microsoft Office file in another suite, you know formatting can break. OnlyOffice nails compatibility. In my experience, about 99% of time, everything opens perfectly. This makes it great for collaborating with people who still use Microsoft Office. Lastly, the look and feel. OnlyOffice's interface is clean, modern, and similar enough to Microsoft Office that you won't feel lost. That makes the learning curve almost non-existent, especially for people who don't like changing software. And that's just the basics. OnlyOffice also supports plugins like translation tools, YouTube embedding, AI assistants, and connections with over 50 cloud services, ERP, LMS, CMS, and more. If you work with a team, you can use DocSpace for secure cloud collaboration, or even host it yourself for maximum privacy. So if you want a free, cross-platform, and fully featured Office suite that makes the jump from Microsoft Office painless, OnlyOffice Desktop Editors is absolutely worth a try. I'll leave a link in the description so you can download it and see for yourself. Thank you so much for watching.